another cell. Okay. That is the problem here. Okay. So for that purpose, you need to understand these concepts very well. And also these concepts help making your reports more dynamic. Okay. Okay. First of all, what is all? All function. So why do we need to use all function? How many of you remember it? Yes, you are correct. Right. So 4 people answered it correctly. Yes. All function simply removes all the filters. Very good. What about the all selected? Very good, very good, very good. Good response. Again, this time 5 people. I just rephrase whatever you typed it. Okay. The all selected function removes all filters except those applied directly or through relationship. Okay. Even like all function, all selected also removes all filters except those applied directly. Okay. That is what the difference between all and all selected, and also I demonstrated how exactly the all selected function works and all function works in detail. And we have something called all except. All except function. Yes, 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 yes. Before even I asked the question, thank for answering me. All except function, it removes all the filters except the column that you specified, which means, for example, inside this, if you specify category, it apply the filter for the category column. But rest of the column, if you have any, for example, in your slicer of location name or something like that, it will not apply the filter. Okay. It will simply ignore the filter. Okay. It will apply the filter for the category column. That's what I have shown you. Next one, the keep filters. What is keep filters? Keep filters, it preserves existing filters. What do you mean by existing filters? The row level filter, column level filter, while applying additional filters in the current context. For example, keep filters inside the parenthesis. If you specify city equal to Bangalore, in addition to the row level filter, like, where category equal to furniture and city equal to Bangalore. Okay. Within the Bangalore city, in the um, category furniture, how much sales we made. Okay. That is how the key filters work. It preserves the existing filters while applying additional filters. Okay. In the current context in DAX. So hope you understood. So more than the theory, if you practice it, is very, very simple. Okay, that is what I said. Look here. In this case, the all function, I have used it in this measure. So what it does is it simply ignore all the filters, right? It simply ignores all the filters. For example, if you clear this one and if you clear this one, so 4,56,000. This is for all the category, all the location put together, what is the total sales, right? That is what you can see it here. But the same total value, I wanted to display it across rows. 4,56,000, I want to display it across rows. Okay. So why should I display? So that if somebody is asking me the percentage of contribution by each category, I can take this one divided by this one, and I can take this one and take it, since both of them are available side by side. Right? So hence it is pretty faster if you use all measure, all function. Okay. So the all measure simply ignores all the filter, whereas the all selected function, for example, for you to understand, if I select dairy and the three categories here, and what happens is still it shows the total sales. See, the external filter is not applied. It is applied, but what happens? It shows only these three categories. But if you see here, the row level filter where category equal to beverages, it is not obeying it, right? Where category equal to beverages, it is not displaying. See, ideally 400 should display it here, right? It is not displaying that. The row level filter is not applied here. Okay, row level filter is not applied, and even the external filter also, it is not obeying that. Simply it takes the total sales value, all the categories put together with the total sales, and this is not this value. Okay, this one shows all the categories, all the 5 categories put together, how much sales we made in sorry, here the beverages, correct. In the case of beverages, yeah, in the beverages, irrespective of the beverages or dairy, it takes into account of all the categories totals and displayed across the rows. See, this is the one is displayed across the rows. Reason is we want to take this value in the numerator, we want to put this value in the denominator in order to get the percentage of revenue contribution, right? So for that purpose, this is helpful. Okay, if I clear the filter, both all measure look same, but once I apply the filter, I will get to know, hey, we get to know there is a difference between all and all selected in terms of the behavior. In the case of all selected, what happens? It displays the total sales for the categories that are displayed in this visual, right? The total, so the beverages, dairy, these three put together, what is the total sales? That one is getting displayed across rows. Whereas here, it takes all the 5 categories total sales, whereas here it displays these 3 categories total sales across rows, as simple as that. Okay. And next one is Chennai sales. So this is the one, what is that? The Chennai sales, all except measure. So in this case, what we have done, we have used the category column, okay, category column. And also we have mentioned about the filtering condition, Boolean filter, where city equal to Chennai. Okay, it is doing the filtering, but it shows only the Chennai related sales. It shows only the Chennai related sales. Okay, in Chennai, what is the total sales we made in? So it in the sense, what happens? So where category equal to dairy and Chennai city equal to Chennai, what is the total sales? Okay, that is what we are seeing. Similarly, here we could see that Bangalore measure, right? So here Bangalore measure is something like okay, keep filters, right? Keep filters Bangalore. So in this case, yeah, keep filters. Here also, I have used the Boolean filter. Inside the keep filters, I mentioned where city equal to Bangalore. So keep filters function, what it does is, it preserves the existing filter where category equal to dairy. In addition to that, it applies the filter whatever you mentioned. So where category equal to dairy and city equal to Bangalore. So this one and this one seems to be more or less same, but the difference is here the except function, it removes the filter for all the other columns except this column. Plus, you can specify more than one column also, okay, to apply the filter, okay. Okay, so and next one is the remove filters. Remove filters and all function, both of them are similar almost. This is what we discussed. Only difference is both of them are same with respect to the behavior or the functionality, but the difference is all function returns the entire table. You can duplicate the existing table using all function, okay? So that's why I told you all, please practice it. You take create another page and then you create and then explore my measure. So this measure, if you drag and drop it, so it shows me this one. And if somebody is asking you, okay, the difference between Chennai and Bangalore sales is 3,80,000. Now you give me the difference between this value and the overall sales. 4,03,000 minus 3,80,000. So that is what we are seeing, right? 22,000 or something that, right? So yeah, 22,000 or something like that. So 22,000, how much? If you add 20,000, 4 lakh and 2,000, and I know these things, if you add it, yeah, 4,03,000, right? So that is little bit advanced one, right? Give me the difference between Chennai and Bangalore. And with that, difference, you compare it with the overall sales. This is your total sales. 4,03,000 minus 3,80,000, 22,000. What we were receiving it was that one. Got it? So they may ask you anything. You should be able to answer it correctly. But guys, it's high time. I don't see. So we are done with compare.